What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back. Welcome to another video at Shayla's World. As you've seen by the title and the thumbnail, the reason why you clicked on this video, I did a tutorial on how I did these boho braids on my natural hair. And you know, it's a little TikTok trend going on, so I wanted to just try it out. This is something I wouldn't usually do, but it actually came out cute. So stay tuned for the tutorial. That we're going to be using in today's video, we're going to be using this Miel Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream. This is something that my mama picked up, and I'm going to just use her stuff. I want to try it out. I haven't tried this out. It smells good. And then I have the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil as well. If it will focus. Yeah. Y'all can read that. Miel something. It's the green line. Rosemary line. My mama picked this up because it is infused with biotin and helps with hair growth, but I don't need it for hair growth. I just wanted to try it because my mama picked it up. Today, like y'all seen in the intro, I'm gonna try that the Bohemian Braids, but on natural hair. I think it's Bohemian. Don't correct me if I'm wrong. I have edge control as well, the Mary's Edge Wax. So I have a mirror right here. So if you catch me looking this way, I'm looking in the mirror. I know I have a different background. Yeah, because my room's a little messy, so I'm not gonna film in my room today. So found a different area to do it. Ooh, that would have been a cute braid out. I ain't gonna lie. It don't gotta be the best, because I don't even want the best. Like I said, it's already ported, but it's just not the best. So now we're left with this back right section. Back right section. Sorry. And my hair just has leave-in conditioner in it and some Blue Magic grease. And before I got on camera, I did make sure that this styling cream and the leave-in conditioner I put in mixed so it wouldn't cause any like white residue. It does mix, but if I didn't put the styling cream, the leave-in conditioner in, this product I could use by itself with no gel or leave-in conditioner, because it is a styling cream, so you have a cream and a gel kind of mixed together already. But I know it's not going to be the best, because I can't see. And I'm trying to get my braids a little bit small, medium size. I already added this to my hair, so I'm not going to add any more to this section. I'm going to put some edge control at the base of my hair. You know, just a little at the base to secure all those little the little kitchens and stuff, and the little flyaways. But I gotta remember, I gotta take hair out. I don't really like doing braid outs and stuff. I mean, like doing braids. And then I already got hair out, so this is gonna be a big thing. So I should have probably made them big since I have to take hair out. It will be okay. So now I'm starting to braid like a regular braid. I haven't taken hair out yet. I'll probably braid down like a little bit. Braid down a little bit. So now I think I done braided down a little. So now I just take out a piece of hair. I don't know what section you're supposed to take hair out of. So I take out the section and braid again. These are going to be small braids. I could just tell you now. Take out another section. Braid again. Hold on. This is very confusing. It's very confusing. Look at those little strands of hair out. This does not look right. That doesn't look right. I've seen people do this so many different ways. Like they braid the first row regular, and then the second row they take out curls. The next row they just braid regular. Okay, and then I'm just gonna curl my ends. So I have 2 pieces out. So now I'm going to add the styling cream again, just a little bit to that section. Those 2 pieces that I took out. I don't know about this. I'm not very sure about this. How it's going to look. That is a small tail braid. Okay. I'm gonna try this off camera for a little bit and then I'll come back on camera. So I have done 2 full rows of these braids. They might not be the best, but I think I got the hang of it. As you can see, there goes a few of them that's done. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing now, because now I kind of know a little bit of what I'm supposed to be doing. So I don't mind the small braids because I don't think I wanted big braids, so I don't have to take out so much. I'm gonna start adding the cream, and you don't need a lot. So I got that much, and I'm going to put it not nowhere near my roots. I'm only using a little bit of that product because, like I said, this is not my product. This is not mine. This is my mom's. I know she's gonna say something when I tell her how to use her product, but it's okay because I'm about to buy my own, the same product anyway, so she will not. And I did have to go get my extreme gel because I don't know, like I said, this is not my product, so I'm not going heavy-handed on the product like I would want to. So I'm just using gel on the ends a little bit, and then I'm using gel on the little pieces, on the little curls that I take out. So now I added gel to the end. Now I'm about to add edge control to the base of my hair just to give it a little bit of a cleaner look. Even though this is tight, it's like a messy braid, just to give it a cleaner look. Now I'm going to section my hair off into 3 even sections. If I don't do 3 even sections, I go to full hair for one. It makes it thin, like very thin. So now I'm just going to start braiding. If you don't know how to braid, go find another video after watching this one, and then go find another video and then come back. So depending on how I want this one, like, so I braided all the way down for this one. It's like a little bit down than I have been doing. I take a piece of hair out the middle section. You can do any section. I just do the middle section because I grip that one better, so it's more easier. I'm taking a little bit of extreme gel on this little curl right here and curling it real quick, or shingling. That's one individual curl, so I can kind of clump up and make like a cute curl. So I did that now, so I won't get this section mixed up, I'm going to put this section in my mouth. And keep braiding. Oops, hold on. I'm going to put this section in my mouth and keep braiding. I'm going through the droughts. You don't even have to do too much. You can tell me I'm just a touch, baby. And there you go. You got a Bohemian braid. So I'm about to start on the front of my head, so I'm about to show y'all. So first, I want the front of my head to be parted a little bit decent, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep the small braids going, but just make sure the parts look a little bit cleaner in the front. Get my styling cream and apply to my hair to moisturize. And my gel. have my edge wax edge control to the base of my hair. Blend that in. And 3 sections. I'm gonna show y'all how to braid. So I have 3 sections, as you can see. 1, 2, 3. This is left section. We have a middle section, and I have a right section. I braid underhanded and not over, so we're gonna take this left section and go under the middle braid. Take your right section and go under the middle braid. And then you take the left section now and go over the middle braid. Take the right section and go over the middle braid. So you're just going over under the middle braid and just braid down. So now we're going to take hair out. So we're going to take hair out the right section. Don't got to be too big. Put it in your mouth and braid. I just wanted one out in this braid, so I only took one piece of hair strand out. That's good. I'm gonna braid not all the way to the end, then on it, like a little bit to the end, I'm gonna just twist it up. And now I'm gonna take a little bit of gel and curl the end of my braid. Oh, half my hair is done. Bro, why am I so excited about this? I should be. It's done. My hair is done. This side is dry, and I did while I was doing this side try to stretch this side, and I put like a hair tie on it to stretch it, but I think it's already dry by the time I tried to stretch it. This side is wet, so you can kind of see it's a little bit shrinkage, just a little bit. I'm about to add the Miel Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening on onto my hair. So I haven't tried this product out. I really did like both products that I use. Haven't tried this out yet. I hope I like it. But I really did like this product. I'm gonna have to pick it up. Now I'm about to add these oil drops into my hair. Yes. You gotta add the oil. So guys, I tried to do a claw clip, but I'm not sure how to do it with these braids in my hair. But I did a half up, half down with the ends out, and then these two in the front out. I like it. I really do like this. I would probably put this up and leave these two down, but